Welcome to EasyRent Operation System. In this video, I will show you how to create a company account in the system. Click Start 14-day free trial. Choose your Google account. This will be your main account to manage users and view company statistics. Enter your company name. Click to create and continue. No credit card is needed and you can cancel anytime. You will be redirected to company settings. Here you have your company name. Upload your company logo. Add your company website. Select the correct country code. Add your company WhatsApp number. Enter your company phone number. Enter your company email. Add your company address. Write a welcome message for your clients. Scroll down to view all country codes. If you can't find the country code, you can add it here. Next, go to WhatsApp Messages settings. Set automatic messages for pickup and return reminders. You can customize the text based on your company. These messages appear in daily operations. Watch the video about daily operations for more details. Click User. In User Control, the main account can view all users. Let's click Save to store all your information. Your company setup is now complete. Click Dashboard. You will be redirected to the dashboard. In the next video, I will show you how to add new vehicles. Thank you for watching.